So recently I've been asked, how do I know when my hard drive is going to break? How can I keep an eye on it or check it? Or what way or what width can I check my hard drive? So, well, the most used program that everyone uses typically is, let me put it on, Crystal Disk Info. It's a simple piece of software. You've got your hard drives up here. It tells you the status of your hard drives. New Evo NVMs don't give you that much detail, but you get a read and write and count like that. Normal SSDs give you a bit more information, and hard drives gives you a lot more information with read errors and stuff like that. But as long as these say good or 100%, then you should be alright. Just check it every 4 years, every 2 to 4 years. Just run this test. I do it with my NAS hard drives. I take them out of the NAS, put them in my computer, and then just check the status. This will tell you, this will give you any orange indications if there's any problems with it. And then you can get your data off it before it breaks and replace your hard drive. Hope that helps you out.